If you don't know how to cable your cords properly, then stop what you're doing and watch this video. We're going to show you how to do over-under in less than 2 minutes. Come on. Okay, so one of the most important lessons I can teach you is over-under. So over-under is when you got this kind of setup going where the cord lies nice and flat. And the reason for this is you want to be able to just, you can just throw it out and no tangles. So over, under. And this is the issue that people have, is the over bit's easy. That first bit's easy. What trips them up is when you pull that out to go under and doing that pinch and coming underneath. So now what we're about to do is cut into what my perspective is when I see it, because we might as well show you what you're going to be looking at. So let's flip this around. All right, so here's the really cool thing about over-under, right? Whatcha? Boom. See how beautiful that falls? And now, oh no, I am not over-under. So hold this away from you. Over, pinch, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And there you go. Oh yeah. That's pretty sweet. See you on the next one, guys.